Hey, good morning. It's Travels with Dottie, and we are out for a walk in Pahrump, and it's the 22nd of March, and it's a beautiful day. It's barely 10:30, and it's already 72 degrees. And I'm going to take you and show you a couple of things here that you haven't seen yet. One is there's a little garden that some of the residents tend, and I think that's pretty interesting. And then next to it is a little dog park that Dottie enjoys. So we'll check that out. Um, the guy just drove by me and didn't quite know what to make of this floating camera in front of me. That's pretty cool. Um, those of you that are familiar with this device and how I've been working with it, there have been some problems with certain things. Um, hang on, I'll be right back with you. So I was saying there have been a few problems with this function called dolly track, where the camera goes in reverse with me following behind it. Um, hang on a second, I'm going to have to come back again because of that problem. So I had to stop a couple of times for Dottie, and one of the problems, I see it as a problem. I think it's intentional on the programmer's part that if I stop walking forward, it stops and it stops recording. So I can't like walk for a little while, talk, stop, talk into the camera, it'll turn off. So that's kind of a bummer. The other problem was the direction on the dolly track. It couldn't seem to do as well in this direction as it does following, but there's been a software update or a firmware update, whichever you prefer. I think it's firmware. And right now it seems to be doing better than it has in the past. One thing that I like about it, and then we're going to try up here, is when we get up to the garden here, I'm going to sort of run around it and it'll go into follow mode and it'll come in behind me, and I think it'll let me stop and turn around and talk without it turning off because it switches from the dolly track mode to the follow mode. So I see the gardens up here, so I'm going to try to have it flip around on me. Oh, look at that. It's doing much better. Let's see if I can fool it. I think I fooled it. So check it out. These are the gardens. I can't tell you what all. So I turned it around and tried to fake it into follow mode. It did follow me, but it really wasn't in follow mode because it stopped recording. Sorry about that. But here we are at the gardens, and you can see all the different kinds of things people are nurturing and planting in here. I'm not a plant person, so I really don't know what anything is. So you guys may recognize stuff. Um, some of it looks like herbs. That looks like a corn stalk to me. Some romaine lettuce, maybe. And to me, this looks like tomato plants down here, this stuff. But you guys probably know a lot more than I do about this kind of stuff. So maybe you can tell me if you can see clearly on the video. Um, so the other thing that you see over here, you come this way, is the Pahrump Nugget Casino behind me here. And what's special about that? I'm not a big casino gambling guy, but they do have a great affordable bowling alley in there. And it's just a short walk away, and it's a really good way to have fun with friends. And so I kind of screwed up there. I had some problems with one of the segments of recording. The first recording I did in the garden here, the video, I'm not going to explain the details, but the video didn't take. So I did the second one, and then right at the end there where it got off, I ran out of battery. So we're going to have to do the rest of this video with my phone here. So I'm gonna flip around here and I'm gonna show you the dog park. And here we are with the little dog park. Sorry for the shaking, but Dottie is resisting on the leash here. I don't know why, but you know, Dottie does not obey. As you know, Dottie does not obey commands and does not do what she doesn't want to do in favor of what I want to do. So she decided, well, I don't really want to go in here again. We've already been in here once, and we were recording the whole thing without any sound, and she was done in the dog park. So when she's done in the dog park, she will hop on the closest people seat or bench, which is what she's done. But I'll show you the rest of the park. It's not very big, but it's nice, and the weather right now is perfect for it. You know, it seems you got this little shade thing with the bench, and it's probably close to almost exactly 70 degrees in here, right, Dottie? And it's pretty comfortable. There's a nice soft breeze going, and Dottie's content just to hang here with me, and she'll hang here with me while I do a little bit of editing with this stuff. Well, sorry about the mix-up with the cameras, but you got everything I did this morning, and as always, I appreciate you taking your valuable time to watch my videos and listen to me talk on about stuff. See you on the next one. Take care.